Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide to address the stuttering and low FPS issues in Dragon Age. The Veilguard on PC or laptop, you can follow these comprehensive steps. First, let's check with basic troubleshooting. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting game performance. Next, update graphics drivers. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Download the latest versions from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official websites. Third option is to verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files to ensure there are no corrupt files causing issues. Now here are the performance optimization steps to consider. Just in-game graphics settings, lower graphics settings to medium or low to improve performance. Disable triple buffering in the display settings, as it can sometimes lead to stuttering. Optimize power settings. Set your power plan to high performance in Windows settings to ensure your system is using maximum resources while gaming. Clear shader cache. Navigate to the game's installation folder and clear the shader cache to prevent lag caused by shader compilation. Disable in-game overlays. Disable overlays from applications like Steam or GeForce Experience, as they can interfere with game performance. Limit background applications. Close unnecessary background applications using Task Manager to free up system resources while playing. If the above steps doesn't work, reinstall the game and install. Hope these helps you resolve the issue. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.